स्टैंडर्ड 7th है, सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस है, चैप्टर 5 है, लोकेशन एंड टाइम। आपके रिवीजन चैप्टर चल रहे हैं। 5 तक मैंने करवा दिया था, आज ये 5 चैप्टर आपका रिवीजन में ले रही हूँ। नंबर 1 पहले एक्सप्लेन करवाऊँगी, फिर इस क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको कराऊँगी। देयर इज जोग्राफिकल इंफॉर्मेशन इन दिस इट इज नेसेसरी that students gather information about the latitudes and longitude of their own villages. Knowledge about the pole star is also given in this unit. Here information about the latitudes and longitudes as well as the international data line is given. Along with the new technology, mobile phones are used to know about the time of different countries. Attempt to give information about the local time and the standard time is worth appreciation. The information given under the title led us to activity and learn. Makes the teaching more interesting. Students get the knowledge easily under things to know. Special information is given. It is expected that the students use the globe and the atlas. This unit not only gives information but also attempts to give practical knowledge. ये आपको खाली इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज भी देगा। ठीक है, with the help of world map fill up the table of the eastern countries and the western countries. ये आपको ईस्टर्न कंट्रीज है और वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज है। नेक्स्ट आपका है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ मच टाइम डज वन लॉन्गिट्यूड टेक टू पास बाय द सन। आंसर आएगा टाइम ऑन द अर्थ इज डिसाइडेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द लॉन्गिट्यूड। द अर्थ कंप्लीट्स वन रोटेशन इन 24 आवर्स। देयर आर अ टोटल ऑफ 360 longitude, thus 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. So every longitude takes for 4 minutes to pass by the sun. Draw a circle and draw latitude. आपको ड्रॉ सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है और ड्रॉ लैटिट्यूड्स ड्रॉ करना है, लॉन्गिट्यूड्स और लेटिट्यूड्स। ड्रॉ अ सर्कल एंड ड्रॉ लैटिट्यूड्स हो गया। अभी ड्रॉ अ सर्कल एंड ड्रॉ लॉन्गिट्यूड्स। ठीक है, अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 4 है, व्हाट इज द लैटिट्यूड ऑफ दिस कंट्रीज इज रिलेशन टू द 0 सेल्सियस लैटिट्यूड। यूएसए, ब्राज़ील, रशिया, नॉर्वे, यूनाइटेड किंगडम। आंसर कंट्री यूएसए, तो डायरेक्शन आएगा नॉर्थ, एंड ब्राज़ील डायरेक्शन आएगा साउथ, रशिया आएगा नॉर्थ, कंट्री नॉर्वे तो डायरेक्शन आएगा नॉर्थ, यूनाइटेड किंगडम तो आंसर आएगा डायरेक्शन आएगा नॉर्थ। अभी विद द हेल्प ऑफ मोबाइल फोन फाइंड द नेम्स ऑफ सिटीज़ इन वेरियस कंट्रीज विच आर अहेड और बिहाइंड द ग्रीन बीच लाइन। सिटी बहरेन अहेड, ढाका अहेड, एटलांटा बिहाइंड, शिकागो बिहाइंड, नायरोबी अहेड, इंडिया अहेड। Now question number 6, which circle lies on the 0 Celsius latitude? The imaginary horizontal line passing through the middle of the globe is named as 0 Celsius latitude. It is also known as equator. It is a complete circle. Its length is about 40,000 kilometers. It divides the earth into two parts, that is north and south. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज लैटिट्यूड? गिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट मेजर लैटिट्यूड्स। तो आंसर आएगा द इमेजरी लाइन्स ड्रॉन ईस्ट वेस्ट ऑन द ग्लोब आर कॉल्ड लैटिट्यूड्स। नंबर 1, लैटिट्यूड्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर। नंबर 2, इक्वेटर इज द लार्जेस्ट लैटिट्यूड पासिंग थ्रू द मिडल ऑफ द ग्लोब। इट्स लेंथ इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 40,000 kilometers. 3 टॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड द आर्कटिक सर्कल आर लोकेटेड ऑन द नॉर्थ ऑफ इक्वेटर. Number 4, Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle are located to the south of the equator. Number 5, there are 181 latitudes including the equator. Number 2, state the usage of latitudes. With the help of the latitudes, temperature and the location of any place can be known. Now, north south location of any place. Zero latitude is the equator. It is in the middle of the globe. It divides the globe into two equal halves. Its northern half is known as northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as southern hemisphere. India is located between 8 Celsius north to 37 north latitude. Temperatures and general information about the temperature of different places on the surface of the earth can be obtained from the latitude. Sun rays fall straight over the places near the equator. Straight rays concentrate on smaller area and also pass through laser atmosphere, so they give more heat to equatorial region. Thus, higher the latitude, lower the temperature, and lower the latitude, higher the temperature. Number 3, what is a longitude? Give information about measure longitude. Answer आएगा the imaginary lines drawn north south on the globe are called longitudes. The longitude passing through Greenwich of London is England is called 0 Celsius longitude. Number 2, there are a total of 36 longitudes. The distance between two longitudes, this is while going away towards the north or south from the equator. Measure longitude. Greenwich length. The 0 Celsius longitude passing through Greenwich in England is called Greenwich line. It makes two halves of the earth. 2, international data line. The 180 Celsius longitude is called international data line. Date line. There is only 180 longitude while going to west after crossing this line. One date and 1 day are added while going to east after crossing this line. 1 date and 1 day are deducted. Number 4, state the utility of longitude. Answer the east-west location and the time of any place can be known by longitude. East-west location of any place, the area from 0 Celsius Greenwich line to the east up to 180 longitude is known as eastern hemisphere, while the area from 0 Celsius to west up to 180 Celsius longitude is known as western hemisphere. India is located between 16.8 east longitude to 97 east longitude in the eastern hemisphere. Time. Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are a total of 360 longitudes. So 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. Every longitude takes about 4 minutes to pass by the sun. Thus, there is a difference of 4 minutes between two successive longitudes. Thus, the time at different longitudes is different according to the longitude. The earth rotates from west to east, so the eastern places come before the sun earlier and the western places come afterwards. That is why the time of eastern places is ahead of the western places and of western places is behind the eastern places. Find out the longitude of your planet with the help of overhead sun at noon. I live in Dahoud when the sun was overhead in Dahoud on 1st September. The time approximately is equal to 12 hours and 28 minutes and 8 seconds. Now by deducting by hours and 12 hours, 20 minutes, 8 seconds, only 28 minutes, 8 seconds are left to get the longitude. The 28 meter and 8 seconds divide 4 will give 7.2 longitudes. The longitude of the house can be calculated by subtracting this answer from the Indian Standard Time. We get 82.5 Celsius minus 7.2 is equal to 75.3 Celsius, which is the longitude for the whole. अभी ये चैप्टर अभी आपका इनकम्प्लीट है. इसके गिव रीज़न फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करवाऊँगी। ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है। थैंक यू।